All right, good morning. Wanted to walk you through a couple of these trig problems. These are some things you did back in the day. I talked a little bit about them with you guys, but wanted to put a little video together. Sorry I'm not there today. I'm at golf. Almost done with golf. Next week, I'll be way more available after school. Anyways, okay. So if we had something like this cosine pi over 6, we can't use our calculator. The first thing I do is I like to go to Trig One Pager. I like to switch up to degrees. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to switch this to degrees. So this is the cosine of a 30. A 30 means I'm going to sketch myself my little triangle. 30, 60, 90, 1, 2, root 3. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I use my reference angle of 30. I go adjacent over hypotenuse. And there's my ratio, root 3 over 2. Now I do need to think about which quadrant I'm in to determine whether it's positive or negative. And this little chart, which is also on your Trig One Pager, right here, tells you where things are positive. So if I go back, I see this is a first quadrant, everything's positive in there, so I get root 3 over 2. Well, I'm going to do two more. That one was easy. First quadrant, no problem. How about this guy? 4 pi over 3. First move, go degrees. So I'm going to multiply by 180 over pi. That's the trick. Pi's cancel. 3 goes into 180 60 times. 60 times 4 is 240. So now I'm going to think about what quadrant 240's in. This is 180. 240 is going to put me over in this quadrant, and it's going to put me in this quadrant with a 60-degree angle. So my reference angle is going to be 60. So I go back to my triangle, 30, 60, 90, 1, 2, root 3. My reference is a 60. We're using sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite over hypotenuse is root 3 over 2. I think about my fourth quadrant. Tangent is positive, so that means that this is going to be a negative. All right, one more. I'm going to go tan 7 pi over 4. I'm going degrees, 180 over pi. Pi's cancel. 4 goes into 80 45 times. 45 times 7. 28 and 3 is a 315. All right, so I'm working with the 315. I'm going to go over here, 315. This is 180. This is 270. 315 is going to put me down here. 315. That's going to make this reference angle here a 45. Okay. So, different triangle. Now we're going 45, 45, 90. 1, 1, root 2. Once again, it's on your Trig One Pager. And I'm going back to, here we go. All right, so tangent of a 45, pick any one you want. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, which is a 1 over 1, which is just 1. And then finally, I'm going to think about what quadrant I'm in. Fourth quadrant. Cosine is positive, which means tangent is negative. And that's our ratio. You're going to get some practice on these. We'll work on these for another week or so. these take practice, and these are kind of the last bit of trig that we need to get comfortable with. So give them a go. Shoot me emails if you have trouble, or catch me next week. All right, thanks.